Tank cleaning doesn't have to be messy, slow, or hazardous. Meet Spraying Systems Company, your partner for efficient, reliable, and safe tank cleaning solutions. Plant managers and operators face increasing demands to maintain clean tanks efficiently while minimizing downtime, ensuring reliability, and protecting worker safety. These challenges can often feel overwhelming, but they don't have to. At Spraying Systems Company, we provide advanced tank cleaning solutions to eliminate manual cleaning, reduce water and chemical usage, and maximize production time. From fluid-driven to motor-driven systems, our innovative solutions are designed to meet the unique needs of your operation. Our solutions deliver measurable benefits such as eliminating hazardous manual cleaning for improved safety, reducing water usage, saving resources and costs, maximizing uptime with faster cleaning cycles. Plus, our application experts ensure your system is tailored for optimal performance. At Spraying Systems Company, we're more than just a supplier. We're your tank cleaning partner. Benefit from our application experts who help you select the ideal solutions and ensure efficient operations. Extend the life of your equipment with our periodic maintenance program designed to clean, inspect, and repair your machines. Plus, we've got certifications you need, including 3A Sanitary and ATEX, for compliance in hygienic and hazardous environments. Whatever your tank cleaning challenge, trust Spraying Systems Company to deliver the results your plant needs. With proven solutions, expert support, and commitment to safety and efficiency, we're here to make tank cleaning work for you.